What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys are having a wonderful trading week, and I guess that you guys are doing the most in making sure that you better yourself as a trader, and that you make sure that you're always staying 1% than you were yesterday. This is your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. So today's video gonna be a trade breakdown, like I promised you guys on my day in the life vlog that I recently dropped, that I will be sharing a trade breakdown based on a trade that we took live on our day in the life vlog, right? So before I get any further with the video, make sure that you smash on the like button, you subscribe to the channel, you share the video, you comment on the video, you click the links on my descriptions if you want to sign up with the broker that I use, or if you're looking for a legitimate Forex trading course. You guys know what TOT Academy has came up with. We have a virtual session, we have a virtual mentorship session, mentorship course, and we have the in-person mentorship course, which is our one-on-one. So you can choose which do you prefer. Do you want to work over the Zoom session, or do you prefer in person, that I come to you and I give you all the gems that I have to give you, and I make sure that I make you become an independent, profitable, and fearless trader, right? So I will leave my number and I will leave my Instagram bio, so you can choose which do you want to do. Do you want to hit my line? Do you want to WhatsApp me? Or do you want to just DM me? Or if you want to just make things simple, just comment down below. What do you want to do? Do you prefer one-on-one, or do you prefer the virtual one? And let's see your Academy do the rest from there, right? So today will be a trade breakdown, but this trade breakdown is mainly based on how do you trade a reversal pattern. Last week I showed you guys how to trade a continuation pattern, right? I mean a reversal pattern, which is our double bottom, right? Okay, well, double bottoms are a reversal and continuation pattern, I think, right? Today I want to show you guys how to trade a rising wedge pattern, which is a reversal pattern, right? So I didn't explain much on Friday about this trade when I took it live on our day in the live vlog. You can go check it out. I left the link right there. So I want to show you guys from how we marked out the zone, how we marked out the pattern, how we marked out our entry levels and our stops, and how we let the market play out the way it was supposed to play out. Well, Fridays I don't wait. Or let me just say, on Fridays I don't want to spend much time on the charts. I make sure that I show up and I make profits and I dip. I don't want to hold trades to just crazy moves, because this trade could have been a crazy one. 200 pips could have been shit, right? But it took our clean 70 pips, and that was it, right? So let me show you guys these gems before we make a dip. It's kind of slow now. So it all starts on our past zone, right? Past history before we used current one. So this was our high here, right here. This was our all-time high. Past history, I repeat, right? Not current price, past history. And one thing about how I mark out my zones, I don't mark out the whole zone, like the whole highs. I just mark out where it started and how is it going. Not to say, okay, price created resistance and violated resistance and created a new high. Now we're taking this previous high and putting out a new high, but only to find that price has been reacting for some time on that very same high. Do you guys get that? Many traders don't understand that. So this zone continues, guys. It continues. Never mind, my trading view is still slow, right? I just switched on my laptops and everything. Yeah. My trading view is kind of slow, guys. Please bear with me. has to do, as long as price hasn't violated this zone and overall all the highs the price is printed out, right? So this is our zone marked out. You can tell that, okay, price had the first reaction here, and we had the second reaction and the third, and price had what? A breakout and a break back below. So once price had a break back below, you can tell how prices moved, right? And when we continue, price came back again, we had some type of breakout, and price started holding below, holding above this very same zone, right? So once we started holding above this very same zone, price did what? Broke out, broke below again, and pushed again to the very same zone. So pushing again to this very same zone and giving us some type of bear reaction, pushing impulsively moving to the downside. And when you continue moving with price, you can tell that once price had this push to the upside, and once price came back to the very same resistance that we have printed out, you can tell that price started having what? From having bear, bullish engulfing candlesticks, we started having what? Some type of small candlesticks. So from the bullish momentum that we had, price started depleting, and price started like decreasing the momentum that we had. Like we started moving slowly compared to how price has been moving earlier on that day, right? So on Friday when we woke up, we saw that, okay, price has done what? Price has came back to our very same zone. And how we came back, I saw that, okay, we now possibly are printing out what? A possible wedge, right? So this is how I marked out my wedge, right? I saw that, okay, price is giving us what? Some type of depletion from the bullish momentum that we had. We started having bullish depletion. So from this bullish depletion, I told myself that in order for me to put my money to work, because I can tell that, okay, price is staying below my resistance, 1, and 2, price is printing out this rising wedge pattern. The only thing that I now need to wait for as a trader is to get confirmation. And once I need my confirmation, there's 2 reasons why I need to wait for my confirmation. Because we're having what? Intraday lows that price is printed out. So obviously from having those lows that price is printed out, in order for me to confirm that from price failing to break above resistance and price printing out some type of wedge, in order for me to put my money to work, let me at least do it, wait for price to violate my lows. And when you can clearly see that our London session candlestick, we violated our lows and we closed below. So once we had a close below our lows, and once we broke our pattern, I now understood that, okay, 1, price is failing to break above my resistance. 2, price has printed out that rising wedge pattern. 3, my London session candlestick has violated my what? Has violated my lows. And 4, my entry candlestick, it's once we had a bullish open. It's once we had what? It's once price had a bullish open. Once we had a bullish open and price flipped and turned bearish. And once the candlestick flipped and turned bearish, and once it traded below the previous candlestick, I told myself that, you know what? This is a good trade. Let's just do it. Put our 40 pip stop and target what? Target this very same zone, right? But we didn't go for it because obviously it was a Friday. We closed somewhere right here. Yeah, somewhere right here. I think it was a 60-70 pip move. I forgot. So let me just put it right here on a 60 pip, right? So that's why we closed our trades. We went for clean 1 to 1,50, right? So when you understand the background, when you try and look for the background of this trade, you can clearly understand that, okay, we're using zones, we're using patterns, we're using candlesticks, and we're using trading sessions. Like, I'm building confidences, I'm gathering information and using all aspects of trading before I can confirm my entry or my setup, right? So let me repeat with you once again before I dip, right? Price is having this all-time high, this resistance, right? And once price is having this resistance, we had a bullish candle, we had bullish momentum to the upside. And once we came back to our very same resistance, we started having that bullish depletion. The bulls started losing power, right? So once the bulls started losing their momentum, prices printed out what? A rising wedge pattern. So with this So with price coming back to our resistance and having depletion and printing out a rising wedge and having a candlestick that has violated our lows, and once this candlestick confirmed to us in our London open that we're closing below our lows, and the coming candlestick having a bullish open and a flip and trading bearish below the previous London candle open, we anticipated that obviously this might be a great move and a great trade for price to continue moving to the downside. Do you guys get that? So such trades are not easy, such trades are not hard. They're mainly based on you having the consistency, understanding your zones, your patterns, your candlesticks, and far most importantly, your trading sessions. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. I know that this is not about me having to brag on how I took a wonderful trade, but it's about you having to understand that we're using zones, we're using patterns, we're using candlesticks and trading sessions to confirm and to take trades, those beautiful trades that you guys see on YouTube. But without further ado, it's COT Academy to the world. It's COT Academy to the world. COT Academy to the world. This is your boy Hala. That's all I got on this video.